Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Quick 5 Questions Polity Video 2. Let's start. Question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding protection of 6 rights to freedom under Article 19 of Indian Constitution. 1. It is available to all Indian residents irrespective of their citizenship. 2. It can be suspended during national emergency in case of an armed rebellion. The correct answer to this question is option D, none of the above. Protection under Article 19 are available to all Indian citizens only. It can be suspended during national emergency if it is declared on grounds of war or external aggression, but not on armed rebellion. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. 1. Tribes Advisory Council are formed under 6th Schedule of Constitution for tribal areas. 2. Governor is empowered to declare an area as scheduled area. 3. Executive power of a state does not extend to scheduled area. The correct answer to this question is option D, none of the above. Tribes Advisory Council is formed under 5th Schedule for scheduled areas. It can also be established in a state with scheduled tribes population but no scheduled area if President so directs. Only President can declare an area as scheduled area. Executive power of state extends to scheduled areas with directions from the center. Question number 3. Which of the following can be issued to both public and private bodies and individuals? 1. Habeas corpus. 2. Mandamus. 3. Prohibition. 4. Certiorari. 5. Warranto. The correct answer to this question is option A, one only. Habeas corpus can be issued to both public and private bodies or individuals. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. 1. Village panchayats don't have the power of levying taxes themselves. 2. Minimum age eligibility for election to panchayats is 21 years. 3. Notified area committee is an entirely nominated body. The correct answer to this question is option C, 2 and 3 only. Village panchayats have jurisdiction on various taxes in different states like property tax, professional tax, license fees, etc. Minimum age eligibility for both panchayats and municipalities is 21 years. Notified area committee is fully nominated body, unlike town area committee, which may be wholly, partially elected or nominated. Question number 5. Who among the following cannot hold the office to the President of India? 1. Naturalized citizen of India. 2. Overseas citizen of India. 3. Any person qualified for election to membership of Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option C, 2 and 3 only. Naturalized citizen can be a President of India. Overseas citizen of India cannot be a President of India. One of the qualifications to be President of India is to be eligible for election to member of Lok Sabha with minimum age of 35 years. Thank you. We hope this video helped you in your quest for learning and practice. Please like, comment and subscribe.